Welcome to another Simple Dad Samsung tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to delete a sticker from your Samsung Galaxy phone. So you've created a sticker using your photos in your gallery. Now you want to go ahead and delete those stickers from your sticker library. So let me show you how to do this. So to access your sticker gallery, you want to go ahead and select any photo, tap on edit icon here, which is a pencil icon, and then tap on the sticker icon, which is the bottom right. Now here you want to go ahead and tap on stickers. This will open up your sticker library. Go ahead and tap on this gallery icon here at the bottom left. This will now show you all the stickers which you have created. So now to delete one of the stickers from here, go ahead and long press on any of the stickers. You'll now get this option where you can select any sticker which you want to delete. Select the sticker and then tap on delete at the bottom. Then tap on delete. This will now delete the sticker which you have created earlier. And there you go. That is how to delete stickers on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.